Do you want to be able to password protect your Shopify store? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into Shopify and then log into your Shopify account, because then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now on this page you need to locate where it says online store. So click on online store right here, because then you should be taken to this page, as you can see, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now is to basically find where it says preferences in here. So click on preferences. Now you should be taken to this page, but you're going to scroll all the way down in here until you can see where it says password protection. As you can see, limit who can access your online store. What you're going to do is to make sure that this one is actually toggled on right here. Restrict access to visitor with the password. You can even change the password if you want, so you can click on save right here. You can even have a message to your visitors, for example, unfortunately, like we are for now closed, unfortunately. Something like that, right? And then you can have the password right here. As you can see, you can even change the password to whatever you want it to be, basically. And yeah, this is exactly how to password protect your Shopify store.